what in the hell? I just woke up like right now. The guy from Shaw Cable just called me and he's 5 hours early. So I told him I'd be there in 5 minutes, but you know, I just got out of bed, so it's gonna take longer than 5 minutes. I gotta get down there. Well, I drove all the way out here to come check out my friend Ryan dyno his car, and they're closed, so fuck. It's 5252 Motorsports. I guess I was late to the show. Damn it. Oh well. And now at the gas station. Oh fuck. Alright, so it was Ryan dynoing his Supra. Hopefully breaking 600 horsepower. But I missed it. Damn. Alright, I can go home now. Have a shower. Breakfast. Well, holy crap. The cable guy came today. Hooked up my modem. It's down there. And I'm getting a wicked signal out here. Really strong. So, finally decided to bring over my good PC. And this thing smokes. I usually have 2 monitors on it, but today I'm just going to have that. I got the Altec Lansing sound system with it too. It's a 5-piece, so I'm only using 3. And as you can see, I got a 22-inch monitor there. And what's this? It's hooked up to the old computer. So, you know, I can watch YouTube right there from my couch. Easy as pie. That's the lovely part about having your computer so close to the PC, right? Or your TV so close to the PC. But yeah, that's awesome. 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 We got internet. I can sleep here. See you, birdie. You two chilling. Oh, he's gone. Bye bye, birdie. Birds are just everywhere here. Whoa. And there they go. Little punks. That was neat. I was watching Freddy Got Fingered and on the couch and down there. Over there. Yeah, that's right. And man, I fell asleep like yeah, so it's like 9 o'clock or something, and I'm awake again. Alright. Of course, seems to enjoy eating the fence, as you can see. Good stuff, eh, bud? Good stuff. This would be sunset. Those clouds are coming in pretty quick. So we got sunset over the farm. Nice. This is my first night staying here, so enjoy.